Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for the latest in tech and cybersecurity. I'm Mohammed, and today we're diving into a critical topic that every Android user should know about, the Medusa virus. The Medusa virus is a malicious threat specifically targeting Android devices. It's designed to steal your data, compromise your privacy, and can even take control of your device. So, what exactly is the Medusa virus, and how can you protect yourself from it? Let's break it down. The Medusa virus is a type of malware that infects Android smartphones and tablets. Once it infiltrates your device, it can perform a range of harmful activities. These include stealing personal information, sending unauthorized messages, and even locking you out of your own device. What makes the Medusa virus particularly dangerous is its ability to disguise itself as legitimate applications. It often spreads through malicious apps that appear harmless or even useful. Once installed, these apps unleash the virus into your system, giving cybercriminals access to your sensitive data. The Medusa virus operates by exploiting vulnerabilities in the Android operating system. It can gain root access, allowing it to control almost every aspect of your device. From accessing your contacts and messages to recording your screen and keystrokes, the Medusa virus can significantly compromise your security. But how do you know if your device is infected with the Medusa virus? Some common signs include unusual behavior such as slow performance, unexpected pop-ups, and apps that you don't remember installing. You might also notice increased data usage and battery drain. If you suspect that your device is infected, it's crucial to act quickly. Here are some steps you can take to protect your device and remove the virus. Uninstall suspicious apps. Go through your installed apps and remove any that look suspicious or that you don't remember installing. Install antivirus software. Use a reputable antivirus app to scan and remove malware from your device. Update your operating system. Ensure your Android OS is up to date, as updates often include security patches that can protect against malware. Factory reset. If the infection is severe, consider performing a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up important information first. Here are some tips to keep your Android device safe from the Medusa virus and other malware. Only download apps from the Google Play Store or other trusted sources. Check app permissions. Before installing any app, check the permissions it requires. Keep your device updated. Regularly update your apps and operating system to benefit from the latest security patches. The Medusa virus is a serious threat, but with the right precautions, you can protect your Android device from this and other types of malware. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep your device secure. What do you think about the Medusa virus? Do you have any questions or tips on cybersecurity? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.